Hey guys, it's Ricardo, Ghost Pirate. Okay, right here where this is video number 2. This is Nueces Bay. On this side is Portland. Okay, what you're gonna see here, you're gonna see the oyster reefs. This is a good spot to wade fish. And the flats. So we have a boat you can fish right here. There's some oyster reefs. You can use dead shrimp or perch. So here's good for redfish. The black drum usually are in this area here. You gotta watch it because there's a bunch of trout lines right here. And this side, right here by the bridge, right here, there's usually like 2 to 3 feet. You can fish for trout right here, redfish. Again, right here, there's usually trout lines, so be careful for black drum. And then on this side, it's called Back Bay. All these are oyster reefs here in the back. Right here. If you fish right here on the edge, that's good for redfish right here, the edge. You should need a boat or a kayak. Right here in the middle, you gotta watch the oyster reefs because they're terribly boat. Look, right here. That's a good spot right here. And then back here, you can see some phone lines crisscross. You go way back there. There's gonna be some islands. If you go on the edge of the islands, you'll catch a lot of redfish. Little spot. See this? You gotta be careful because there's a lot of oil wells right here. And you gotta fish here when it's high tide. Be careful when it's low tide because you're gonna hit a lot of reefs and stuff and you're gonna get stuck. Okay, all this right here is called Back Bay. So we're talking about Nueces River. Nueces Bay right here. So in the next video we're gonna fish another spot. So stay tuned. Thanks. Bye.